Hi all, this is Uttam Singh from Solar Pivot Power with a quick video on flexible solar panels. In particular, it's about a concept for using these flexible solar panels as portable solar panels, using a very lightweight DIY panel stand constructed with camping tubes and shock cords for quick assembly and disassembly. So I find these panels to be of tremendous value. And by the way, this is not a paid promotion. All the products I have here were purchased. But let me put in a good word for the company Top Unit. I think they make great products at great prices. And I'll leave a link for their products on Amazon in the description below. So this panel is priced on Amazon for $80 and it comes with a $15 coupon. So literally for 65 bucks, Amazon will deliver this panel to your doorsteps. Wow. And this is not a knock on Jackery. In contrast, this Jackery 100 watt solar panel costs $300. So you could put together a 400 watt capacity solar solution with these flexible panels for less than the cost of Jackery, which by the way also makes fine consumer products. So like any product category, these flexible panels have pros and cons. On the pro side, these are really lightweight. This weighs about 4 pounds. They're flexible, so not easily damaged. And they're waterproof. These MC4 connectors and junction box, they are waterproof. And they have great performance. On the con side, their usage is somewhat limited. You can install them on rooftops, say an RV rooftop, or you can hang them using these built-in grommets. But if you wanted to use them as portable solar panels, you quickly realize that first of all, they're not foldable and they don't have any kickstands. So you can't really effectively point it towards the sun. This is where this concept of a DIY stand for flexible panels came up. And by the way, a shout out to Joe Cleaver. I first saw him use this on his great Tesla solar Cannonball run, and I'll link to his channel in the description. So this concept of a stand for flexible panels was built using camping tubes along with shock cords and some 3D printed parts. It's really lightweight, weighs less than 5 ounces. Now this is a crude first implementation, but it can be refined. And if there's interest, I will put together details and publish it. Okay, let's head outdoors so I can give you a quick demo. We have overcast conditions today. The sun is peeking in and out. With the flexible panel mounted on the stand, it's producing power in the 70 watt range. And when we compare that to a Jackery panel, we see that it's about the same 70 watt range. Also, because both the panel and stand are lightweight, it's best to use stakes to anchor it against wind. Finally, here's an assembly demo. Because of the tension provided by the shock cord, the idea is that the stand should simply self-assemble. Obviously, I'm not quite there yet. Still fumbling a bit. There's definitely scope for refining this further, including making this a more generic solution with telescopic segments and rotary joints. As always, thank you for your time. Please hit like and subscribe and help spread our content.